Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. 16 by 20 inch pre-primed matte black canvas, Meaden black paint, just dropping things in random locations. Trying not to make any lines yet because I'm not sure how this is going to go. Basically just starting a background. I just used a background. I was successful finally. I made a background and used it to great pleasure. So I'm excited and inspired. So I have no idea where this is going. So this has been sitting around my studio a very long time. I'm not even sure how many months, and it's cool, but it's not as cool as I want to leave it. So I'm going to use some colors that I like, starting with Frozen Amethyst. Moving on to Red Violet, which I should have shaken evidently. I've got Majestic Blue, which is evidently almost gone. So I may have to pull out some turquoise. Could be that there's a marble in the tip. I want a little more gold. I might wind up using some black, but not until later, I think. I've got a little orange, but I think it's too soon to do that. I wanted to use some Oriental Blue, but I think it's too late. This is Blue Flame. And some of these are sheer, so the cells that are being covered may actually still show up. I want a little dancing fuchsia in here too, I can't help it. Let's start there. And if I don't make it too thin, I can go back and carve some away with some of my silicone brushes. I want some blue, and I think it's going to be Blue Velvet. I also might want to add some designs across. I'm already liking this. I'm thinking I'm going to put some more Dancing Fuchsia down here. And even though I want to do the Blue Velvet, I've got some Prussian Violet. Maybe. That's nice and dark. That'll substitute for some black. I also pulled out some Seamonster. Which probably won't show from what I'm seeing. I want some more dark. I've got some Perfect Indigo. I think that's going to come into play. Anything could come into play right at this moment. It's almost time to decide if I want some orange or if I want to just create some verticals on the horizontal. And I think for that I'm going to use some Vibrant Aqua. I forgot I got the Groovy Guava out. It's sitting right there. I think Midnight Shadow would work equally as well as Perfect Indigo. But it got to be fairly quick, especially in an air-conditioned house. I'm going to grab some more oh, that's frozen amethyst, excuse me. I've got Blue Black, which is a Vivid Intense. still want some perfect indigo. I could use any pink diamond or Groovy Guava. I think I'm going to use both. That's the pink diamond. This is the Groovy Guava. Still want some orange. And I'm going to use a little black and see how I like it. That's Anita's black metallic. And I think any black metallic would work. I haven't really entertained too much thought about the white, but it's definitely a possibility. That's got to go. Let's try it and see. And I'll see what I can manage. Maybe it's time for a silicone brush, especially since that's really loose looking. Possibly we'll go somewhere else. Sort of craving my smaller brush. And my nail art tool. I always wanted to do this with a background with some cells showing through. I like the colors mixed on the tool. I like squaring the ends off too. I'm going to see if I can find my nail art tool right here. Didn't have to go too far. It's nice to have a much thinner line. And you can draw with the leftovers too. The other thing I can do is put black in. Let's use the Unitas. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.